back, everybody. Olive and I are once again on the pheasant trail. We're in North Dakota. We're headed down south, probably hour and a half from where we live, and see if we can fill out a North Dakota limit. The season's winding down. It's December 28th, so it's after Christmas. It's really warm today, finally bright and sunny. It's been pretty gloomy for a while. It's about, what does the clock say, 38 degrees right now. So we're gonna head down to a spot that we hunted once last year, and this will be kind of a revenge hunt a little bit. I missed a full limit of roosters last year, big late season giant ones, full limit, all three birds in the same trip, same spot. Don't know how I did it, but I'm sure I was behind almost every one of them. But so this year we're gonna try and head back and see if we can get a little revenge on those roosters. It'd be a quick trip. I typically only hunt evenings in kind of throughout the year. I'm not a big morning hunter. We got a pretty good start though. It's 1:15 right now. It's about an hour and a half, so we'll be there probably 2:30, 3 o'clock. So that should give us a good hour and a half to 2 hours of hunting time before we have to pack it up. So we'll see you out in the field. Hopefully we can get some. All right, so Olive and I have gotten to our spot. I'm pretty excited. I got out of the truck, just started to get some stuff ready, and I hear roosters cackling already down in the cattails, quite a ways off, but kind of right where we're headed. So there's nobody here. We're gonna see if we can get after it. We got about 2 hours, and hopefully we can get some revenge on these roosters from last year. So we'll start getting some stuff ready, and we'll see you out there. All right, so we're just heading out. I just had a guy stop. Looks like he wanted to hunt it. Pulled over and talked to me a little bit. Super nice old guy. Sounds like he was just down the road and saw some fly in somewhere, so he was happy he saw a few at least, and I guess that's a good sign. So we got Miss Olive right here that's ready to roll. So just making sure we have all of our tools all in place here, and we'll send her on her way. We'll just keep walking. We're going to take this tree line up, kind of the same path as our initial walk last year. There might have been corn in that field on the other side, but I've never had great luck with a tree row, but we'll give it a shot. We'll cover just a little bit of this swamp here, and then we got to go up through that other tree row over the hill, way over there. There's another big kind of slough water looking place. They tend to want to fly from this tree row over to there. So We'll just make a big loop down the tree row, around to the swamp, back up through these swamps, and then back to the truck. We should have about 2 hours here before sunset. Perfect time. Doesn't look like anybody's been here. I've already heard roosters cackle, so let's get after it. Off. All right, so we got a point right here. She should be right up here. All right, Revenge Rooster number 1. Look at that dog. Yo, sit. 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 There we go. It's a good dog. That's a good girl. Off here. Off. You ready to get another one? Heel. Sit. Up. I could go back right now. I'm pretty happy, so again, I think we worked that just perfect. I was quiet, let her do it. Rooster got up on this side. She almost thinks there's another one. Okay, so Olive and I just wrapped up our Rooster Revenge trip. We did only see the one rooster, one bird. So I am hearing roosters crowing all around us. So definitely a good sign. Saw lots of tracks. But we came what we were after. We redeemed ourselves from the 3 misses last year and got ourselves a rooster at the end of December. Can't beat that, hunting in a t-shirt. End of December. So we're gonna head back home and on to the next adventure.